In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create reports in monday.com using dashboards so you can track performance, visualize data, and monitor project progress in real time. Start by opening your monday.com workspace and clicking Dashboards from the left sidebar. Then select Add Dashboard and give your report a clear name, such as Team Performance Report or Project Status Dashboard. Once your dashboard is created, click Add Widget. Widgets are the building blocks of your report and allow you to display data in different formats. Choose widgets that fit your reporting needs. The chart widget is great for visualizing task completion, budgets, or status distribution. The battery widget provides a quick overview of project progress. The table widget lets you combine and analyze data from multiple boards, while timeline and Gantt widgets help track schedules and deadlines. After adding widgets, connect them to the boards containing the data you want to report on. You can select a single board or pull information from multiple boards for a broader overview. Next, customize your report using filters and groupings. For example, you can show only high priority tasks, filter by team member, or focus on a specific date range. Grouping data by status, owner, or timeline can make your reports more meaningful and easier to understand. Finally, adjust each widget's display settings, colors, and data fields to create a clean, informative dashboard that highlights the metrics most important to your team. That's it. You now have a dynamic reporting dashboard in monday.com that updates automatically as your data changes, giving you real-time insights without manual reporting.